All right, so here we are. We've got this finished, ready for the customer to take it on. It's had lots of work put into it, but it's turned out really well. This is a 79 scoop fitted to this very short four-wheel drive bonnet. So some of the challenges were obviously the scoop didn't fit anywhere near it, so we had to take that big section out of there, and to get it all to marry up, you know, there's quite a lot of work involved. So it's a big job, but very rewarding in the end. All right, so here's the process of doing this. So we got this 79 scoop. We had to cut a section through the middle here. We then cut a section through here to make it sit right on the bonnet. After that was in place, then we glued it all down. Then we applied our filler, we filled it all in, and then we've put primer on it, and we're about to send it off to the customer where it's going to go to the paint shop. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next video.